15 Pro. I was gonna do the unboxing, but the phone is already unboxed. So I'll show you the box and I can kind of, I guess, imitate how the unboxing is. It's really funny. At the Apple Store, I did record some segments of that, which I will include in this video at the beginning. The first time. Beautiful phone, beautiful.
I don't know if I would be able to demo your phone right now.
Yeah. And yeah, so the unboxing was pretty freaking awesome. It was a lot of people there. It was like 9 p.m. I went late because it was crazy Black Friday. I was like, I'm not going through the crazy people. Crazy rush, not even the people, you know, everyone's crazy at that day. Even myself, we're just kind of like everywhere, perplexed as fuck. Yeah, so this is the phone. Let me actually just give you a little, some kind of a semi-like feeling of how the unboxing works, just so you can have a little bit of a kind of a in the studio unboxing. So there's the, so what is the phone? It's a 15 Pro Max. I don't want to show you the serial numbers because there's people out there, but it is a 15. I'll just show you this. It's a 1 terabyte. The reason why I'm showing that off, not because I'm trying to show off, is because I don't know if they can even see it. It's because I really do believe that the bigger storage you get, the better. Even though you have the USB-C transfer fast out video option on this phone, because it comes with a USB-C, which opens up a whole lot of amazingness to using the iPhone. And you can now use it as a camera. I'm personally probably gonna use this as my main camera, even though for other stuff like podcasts, everything else, and Zoom, like over the top, I can still probably use it for that as well. But I'm definitely using this for the main cam, and then for the other thing that I shoot long term, I can use probably my other 4K. The only problem with the 4K is unless you have a special setup with additional stuff, the 4K is the battery that's very fast and the video just stops. It doesn't die, the video just stops when it hits. iPhone, you can record for like 10 hours, 4K, nothing happens as long as it's plugged in. That's the reason why iPhone is like superior as far as like just a prolonged videos, you know. Anyways, I don't want to go off subject here, but yeah, so this is the 15 Pro Max. I'll show you the front, the side is huge. It's like literally, it's like, I don't want to flex there, but hey. It's a pretty big phone. It's like, it's a giant box, but I wanted that because I feel like, because lately I've been like, I don't want to say I've been going to the gym, but because I kind of took a break when I was in Texas last week. I just got back, but the phone is just amazing. This is a new case that I put on. I'm going to tell you all about it. Let me take this thing off the case so I can show you what it looks without it. I got the natural titanium because it's just a beautiful, beautiful color. It's just gray. My Tesla is gray, so I wanted to kind of match the Tesla. And it also matches, I don't know if you noticed, it's the only color that matches the rim on the lenses. If you get black, it still has silver rim. If you get blue, the same thing. It's like, why would you get those of the colors if the rims are not gonna match? I don't know, I guess I'm a sucker for like everything matching. Plus the color itself looks very titanium, because it is, kind of. And I'm literally like recording this video. Well, actually, I was gonna show you that it'll like reflect the camera, but yeah, so this is the phone, guys. And this case, which everyone's talking about, everywhere I was yesterday, they were like, what is this case, where'd you get it from? They try to match it to the titanium, so it looks kind of identical. When you put it in, it's like a flush. The brand is called, I'm giving them a free shout out, Alphex. I bought this for like 17, I think it's like $18 around there, but tax is like $20 each. It's called Alphex, ALPHEX, and that is their QR code if you wish to scan this to know like more about it. It's dark because, yeah, doesn't have enough light. I need to upgrade my lights in my studio. I just have LEDs that are running 24 hours a day with cameras. Okay, so this one comes with the lifetime warranty, which is amazing. It came inside, I don't know where it is, somewhere here. I put it in the box somewhere. Where did that go? It comes with the lifetime warranty, this case, so it's a really good case. And when you put on the phone, I'm not kidding, it actually for the first time makes the phone look 10,000 times better. Yeah. Put it on, see, show you right now. Cool, here you go, look at that, guys. Tell me that doesn't make the phone look more sicker than ever. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, there's not enough light here probably. But when I zoom it in, it doesn't give you light, but I should have brought my light. I just did this like 5 in the morning. It's like 5:55 in the morning right now. But yeah, so this is the phone case. It's really cool. And now I want to talk about the phone. Okay, so if you're kind of on the fence of whether you should get an iPhone 15 or not, I would say if you have anything 12 or below, don't get it. Actually, that's the opposite. Get it. if you have 13 or above, I would say it doesn't make a whole lot of difference besides the phone being super fast and the 5x optical zoom, which is the reason why I got it. This 5x. I take a lot of photos and videos, and for me, magnifying things from far away is really important, zooming in. And also for my business, I run a company called PHON-ER, as you probably know because we're on PHON-ER channel. I do show my customers what I've worked on, and when I zoom in to show the little thing, the thingies, the components, people like to see detail, right? And that's really kind of essential for me to have that. And plus, just the phone itself is just so bold and cool. I don't know. I don't want to sound like I'm materialistic here, but anyways, but yeah. But I just really like fast engines. It does use a 6-core, I believe. The other one was using 4-core. You wouldn't tell the difference super big if you have the 13 Pro already with the big storage. If your storage is small, you'll notice significant speed difference because it just, when you fill it up, it becomes slow. The memory gets kind of pushed to the limit. And if your battery is low, meaning the capacity, the max capacity is 80 or below, you'll notice significant speed difference in being more slow. So I definitely think you should get a new battery from Apple or through us, whoever you choose. Your option. Apple is $99, ours is $60. It's about 10-15 minutes, and that was a shameless plug for our business because this is PHON-ER. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So I got this phone. It's an amazing phone so far. It's really fast. It's super cool. It's literally the half the weight. Well, this one is kind of like similar weight to my 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro, sorry, not Max, but it's still not as heavy. If I had a 13 Pro right now, Max, in my hands, it would have been like maybe 30% heavier. The 15 Pro without the Max, it's much lighter. It's much lighter. I'm not sure how much lighter it is. I haven't done my research. This is just kind of just getting back to YouTube PHON-ER. I'm also gonna make shorts, by the way, starting with a lot of repairs, a lot of cool little tips of how to make sure your phone works, and if you have any issues, how to solve it. Yeah. And then I also got this thing called Focuses. It's a blue tint screen protector. That's what it said. Yesterday when I put it on, I didn't notice the blue on it, so I may just get another one. But so far so good. I installed it on this, and it does have a little cutout for the, it's not a cutout, but it's a cutout over the glass. It's kind of very smart because normally a screen protector will cover the whole thing. This covered the whole thing, but right where the front camera is, it's a huge lens. You can literally see it. There's a cutout for that. So the reason why is that, so that it will not impede in the, I guess, the zoom, the quality of the picture from the front camera, which is, I believe, 12 megapixels. Still, yeah. That's about it, guys. That's the coverage for today. I didn't want to make this video super long. It's already been long because I've been like talking off subjects, like not off subjects. I guess I've been kind of like derailing, going too in depth, which I'm just known for. My brain works like 1,000 miles an hour, so I just think of many things, and I can easily go into a rabbit hole without noticing I'm in the hole. But as I guys, have a beautiful, amazing Thanksgiving. If you celebrate holidays, Xmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. And I'll see you guys much before that, of course. But I just want to say that just in case you're watching this video and you don't watch any other video, because this is the iPhone 15 Pro during Black Friday video. So that's about it. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful weekend. Stay safe and drink responsibly if you do, and anything else. And I'll see you on the next Much Love. And that's a wrap.